Hello and welcome to Prince Drive Garage. Today we do not have any good news at all. So come with me as we do a review of brake pads and the brake pads in regard to brake pads and linings from this brand called Rixos. So we did a test, a trial of these brake pads and linings in this Toyota Hiace van. And after some kilometers, we have come back to check the performance and the efficiency of the braking system. And we are not happy at all. Number one, because the parts, the Rixos braking system, it appears that we do not have an efficient braking system. The driver complains that it has, the braking distance is too long. We do not have any emergency brakes at all, and that can actually be verified from what we can see, when we remove these parts. Now, when we come to the brake pads, this is what we actually installed the brake pads at 300,000 kilometers, 801, and at around 4,000 kilometers later, these brake pads look like this. So, as you can see, the quality is really wanting. This is not what we would expect, and some of them actually they are even warped. These ones look like this, and let me see if I can get this. Yes, this one. So if you look clearly, you will see that this one is warped at this edge, curved like that, and as a result of this chafing, and they are not able to dissipate the dust or the material from the pad. As a result, the rotors or the discs, we are getting these lines that were not there before when we were doing the installation. So now it appears that eventually we will need to replace the brake pads, and as well we might actually need to have new rotors again. So now that means that Rixos is a no-no. So now let's also come to the linings. So here are the linings. One thing I have noted is that the linings do not have a perfect curve as you would expect. So if you look at this, all of it from here to here, you will see that only a very tiny part that was in contact with the drum. As you can see, all this part over here was not gripping at all until just a small part here, just this one. So these ones, of course, they would not hold anything, hence the long braking. And of course, if the linings at the back are not working, you would expect more load on the brakes at the front. So this one looks like that as well. You can see the edges are not good at all, the shaping and everything. Same case applies here. This one, nothing at all from here to here, only a small part. And this edge that is actually holding the brakes over here, this small edge, is actually causing a ridge on the drum. So we have decided to remove them after the linings have only done 2,153 kilometers. The brake pads around 4,000 kilometers. So I don't think it would be any good to continue using these parts. So I would just recommend that the manufacturer relooks into their testing systems to ascertain whether the product they are selling to our country is actually, correct. They need to go back to the lab, check, redesign, and come back to the market. We will still be happy to try them once again. But as of now, we want to try another brand. May I have the Advix or any other brand? Yes, here we go. Yes, this one. So, previously we have been using VBL brake pads, but now because we are in the testing mode, we want to try these ones. And so these ones are labeled Advix. Let me see. Yes, Advix, like that. So I'm just hoping they might not be the original Advix, but we just want to try. We are not closing anyone out. We just want to try and see how it goes. So we are going to do this at the front. At the back, we have just replaced them. We have returned back to VBL. So once we do these tests, we will still let you know how it goes. So stay tuned and have a breaking day.